Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a 70 Plymouth Superbird. So if you don't know, it's from the era when the racing cars were, not all the racing cars, but cars in the American racing circuit. They started having beaks in the front, big wings in the back to make them faster. So it's one of those. This one is Hot Wheels art car, so paint is gonna be very different, not like a normal car. As you can see, wheels are in different paint. But let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Plymouth Daytona out of its box. Sorry, I also got confused. Plymouth Superbird out of its box. Looks so much like Daytona, Charger Daytona. Since this is a Hot Wheels art car, you can see this crazy paint on the side, Hot Wheels, Venom, and Zoom, Pop. And you also got those crazy looking wheels, blue and yellow. On the side you can see the huge wing, and you can see the beak in the front. Let's go to the front. In the front you got that beak, those flip-up headlamps, and again the crazy paint continues. Star, dot, Hot Wheels. Doesn't have mirrors, does have windshield wipers. Good riddle there. On the driver's side, you can see there's no glass in the window. Interior is finished in white, which is very different for those cars. Mostly they are finished in black. I think it might be because of the art car, and it's letter O. And if you don't know, art cars or release these art cars every year where they spell out all the words of the Hot Wheels. You get car with H, with O, with T, all different ones. You can't really figure out a lot of details on the side because of the crazy paint, but you can see place for turn indicators, the front and the back. You can see the bumper here too, which is finished in black. Let's move to the back now. So on the back you can't miss out this huge wing. There is place for tail lamp, but you can't really say because it's red, so you don't know if they're painted or not. But you got twin exhaust on the bottom and a black bumper, and this is how it looks from the bottom. This is how it looks from the top. And I just noticed the door handle is there, and there is a vent, I guess. I don't know why. Maybe it's pushed some air. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is how it looks. I think it's if you can ignore the crazy paint, the crazy wheels, it's still a nice casting with nice details. And obviously it's not near casting, but it looks good. And you won't find this huge winged car anymore. And it was from that era, so it's nice to have one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.